Hello, it's Snoopy. I'm in Kichijoji today. I will take a walk in this area. Okay, let's go. The park exit of Kichijoji Station has always been a mess with a narrow street. Not only passengers but also buses and trucks pass this way. Kichijoji is located west of Tokyo. It is very close to Shinjuku, just 15 minutes on the JR Chuo line. I'll walk from the station's park exit to the east exit on the other side of the station. The origin of the name Kichijoji dates back to the Edo period. At that time, there was a temple called Suwazan Kichijoji in Tokyo. It was named after the inhabitants of the surrounding towns who moved to the area after a great fire in the Edo period and cultivated the land. At that time, this was the village of Kichijoji. As you can see, there are many shops near the station. The suburb of Kichijoji Station is an exclusive residential area. It's popular among people as a place to live. That's my favorite frozen food shop. I wish there was a branch in my neighborhood. My mother would take me to Kichijoji from time to time. My relatives lived nearby. My uncle was a kendo master. He was running a dojo, a school of kendo. And his wife, my aunt, liked handicrafts, so she gave me a lot of things. But I didn't like those designs because they didn't suit me. Instead, I liked magazines that my aunt gave to my mother. I particularly liked the product comparison articles on home appliances in them. Those were my favorite reading books in childhood. There are really many bus routes at Kichijoji Station. From here, bus ride directly to both Haneda and Narita airports. She is Hanako, the oldest Asian elephant in Japan. She was given to Japan from Thailand as a messenger of peace. Then she was moved from the Ueno Zoo, the Inokashira National and Cultural Park, Kichijoji in 1954. Hanako died in 2016 at the ripe old age of 69. The statue is 1.5 meters tall and 2.5 meters long. It was created by local artist Aki Fueda at a cost of 13.6 million, which was covered by donations including from Thailand. When I was a little girl, my mom often took me to the zoo to see her. This is a typical old-fashioned shopping arcade in Japan. It can sometimes be seen in Tokyo. However, the number of shopping arcades has recently been reduced due to supermarkets and shopping malls. That woman in kimono is so lovely. I wish I could dress like she does. If you want to get geta or zori Japanese-style sandals, you will find your favorite in the shops like this. It's around 10:30 a.m. now. I skipped breakfast this morning. Now I'm here for this shop to eat menchikatsu. This shop's menchikatsu is very popular. Menchikatsu is a Japanese breaded and deep-fried ground meat patty. It's freshly cooked and still hot. Wagyu beef is used for this menchikatsu. This is 2 cheap at 300 yen each. I'm still hungry after the menchikatsu. It's a bit early, but I'm gonna have lunch now. This restaurant says that ethnic meets Italian. Let's get downstairs. The meal has come. The noodles are spaghetti, but the toppings are Asian taste. Let's mix them well before eating. A raw egg yolk becomes semi-cooked when mixed with hot noodles. I'm full now. People call here Harmonica Alley. It is named for the way in which this narrow line of restaurant shops and bars resembles harmonica reeds. I should have come here at night. It's too early to film here. As I was walking, I came back to the station. I came back to the first place. There are still many bus routes in Japan that take incredibly narrow roads. These are attracting a lot of attention among bus fans, for they show a high drive technique. Kichijoji, which has less developed roads than the 23 wards of Tokyo, is famous for these bus routes. I'm going to my favorite place in Kichijoji now. You can walk to the Ghibli Museum too. There are many used clothes stores on the street. It had a lot of snow a few days ago, so snow is still on the ground. I was resting at that cafe and fell asleep. I've been to this yakitori bar before. It was less expensive than I thought. Someone made snowman after the snow. Snowmen disappear in Tokyo quickly. Meanwhile, when I lived in Sapporo, the snow was so powdery that no one made snowmen. It is a typical winter view of the park. That is the Inokashira Natural and Cultural Park. People call there the Inokashira Zoo. Inokashira Park is a park which straddles Musashino and Mitaka. Inokashira Pond and the Kanda River water source, established during the Edo period, are the primary sources of the Kanda River. The land was given to Tokyo in 1913. In 1917, it opened under the name Inokashira Onshi Koen, which can be translated as Inokashira Imperial Grand Park. Thus, the park was considered a gift from the emperor to the general public. I thought Kichijoji is a town for the young people. However, there are a lot of elderly people in the area. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm also taking requests. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね